morning. You guys, my husband have not seen me on this hair before, and he's like, what's happening? What's happening? So should I change it to bone straight? Let me know. Is it fine? Baby, should I change it? Should I wear bone straight? I'm running errands now. I'm not going to like a fashion house. And then I bought this powder that I think is not actually my color. But look at me though. I think it's not actually my color. But I bought it and I've tried it today and I feel like it doesn't blend with my face. I even had to use my own powder that is almost finished to just blend it in and all. But I don't have foundation on. No, that's the trick. I just use this powder and look at how my face is looking. I think my face is looking darker and redder. I don't even know. But let me open and see natural light. Girl, you are fine, girl. You will need to see Mr. Ubuchu's face. He's working. I'm in his workstation here. And I just let me just come and finish my dress up because I'm taking grandma out. Taking grandma out. You guys, grandma is leaving tomorrow and we need to run a lot of errands. So let's just be going. I'm all set. I'm ready. But grandma is insisting that we go with sunshine. Grandma's sunshine. Grandma is sleeping. Look at her on the bed. But grandma is insisting that we go with her. Because you guys know that grandma is grandma's sunshine. Anyways, let's wait. Grandma wants to wear her outfit and put her together. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Girl, you awake? You missed our picture. You missed our picture, baby girl. That's one thing. Now, if you go to the front, Grandma wants to follow you. Come in. Echo Bank, oh please.
Just come.
Mommy, do you receive a lot in your Echo Bank?
I do.
Okay. We're at our first place of errand. I'm going to just quickly. I not verify the name.
Hello.
Yes, Cookie be Jenny. Now my mama so she never see him yet.
That's come.
Bro, so you take. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Back home, you guys, I want to make what they call it, something really special for grandma. Grandma loves fish. Grandma doesn't eat chicken and all of that, so I want to just do her peppered fish, and she'll probably have it with zobo that I've made. I made zobo like some days back, so, and then, you know, I'll do peppered turkey as well. So yeah, back home from all the errands that we went to run, we would have done further errands, but what they call it, grandma was like, let's just go home and rest and spend time together. And I said, okay, let's just go home, we'll spend time together, I'll do some things special for you that, you know, we and the kids will just eat with you and yeah, literally have fun and hang out with you before grandma leaves tomorrow. You guys, it's almost like I'm coming. Can I take what? the dark. Now you come into my yard on the fire. When you see me on the edge, and all. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. Yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby. Can you put the time on the rewind? Help me understand. Can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you go, call on me. When you come, I come. And then you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering of God, yeah. Running away from the darkness of night, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise of the feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes I'm getting. Crying now from the side now, fall now, I can see you now, you know that.
Happy birthday to you, Grandma. Happy birthday to Mommy. Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday.
I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. For you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Oh, good. That's a lot. Okay. Mommy, yucky feet.
If I give you, now you go chop and pass. If I give you, now you go chop and pass. Yucky.
My mom said Grandma, yes, put door. Look at the lights, Grandma. Put the lights.
Today we'll give grandma fish.
It's delicious.
It's for grandma. It's delicious. It's delicious. I bring you juice.
And the supper for grandma.
All this for me.
Yeah.
What's your cup? It's for grandma now. I thought we did it for grandma. It's for grandma. The juice is for grandma.
Mommy.
Yeah.
My juice.
My juice. My cup.
Mommy, can we give them? Mommy, can we give grandma drop?
Grandma, what do you want the cup for? To drink with grandma. Nothing goes for nothing.
Grandma's delicious chicken.
Wow. How many have you eaten?
2 chicken. I want chicken.
Wow.
What do you have to say?
How was it?
Thank you, yummy mommy.
It's yummy.
The next day.
I don't know. Baby. Come on, guys. You guys. This is morning or few minutes to afternoon though. But we have a busy day today, my husband and I, right? You guys, this is the in fact the bright day at the morning of after grandma has gone. Grandma left today. Don't mind me, looking all fresh and glammed up. We have a lot of errands today and we just had to just start it. Me and my husband just came back from the gym. We're like, it's time to just start heading out of the house. We didn't even have breakfast or anything. We're going to eat breakfast on our way. But you guys, I cried though. I really Mr. Pichuk said I cried too.
Cried so much.
I really miss my mom. You know, my husband was just even saying that my mom is that kind of person that you feel her impact. She comes to your home, you feel her impact. Like since I came back, I've just been lounging, I've just been relaxing. The welfare of the children, I literally would just sleep, wake up, dress up, go to work, do what I need to do and all. I feel like that's what even got me even lazy, because I was not even in the mood to do anything, even like YouTubing or bringing up my phone to even see, or bringing up my camera to even see. It was even yesterday I was not even charging my camera battery to say now I beg let me get back into the, you know, because I had my mom just literally take over, so I could just literally be a baby girl, like, you know, I just relaxed and all. And one of the things that was so important to me was because, of course, you guys know that, you know, I've gotten a new person, and it wasn't just easy to just fully just, you know, release. So grandma really like transitioned the person, put the person through so well. Honestly, I didn't have to talk, I didn't have to meet, you know, that, you know, peace left, I got the person, I had to travel, you know, and that was why I was like, hey God, now wow, how was I gonna do it? Few days before I was leaving and all, because I felt relaxed to say, okay, I've gotten someone that has really acclimatized to things, understands the routine of the children and all of that. And then she left. Then I had to get somebody else, you know, and then to start teaching, to start putting together, to start, you guys know that myself and my husband are both 9-to-5ers, and it's not gonna be easy, right? But grandma stepped into the picture and took control and say, my pikin, your career no go suffer because you born children. No way. My children, you should, don't worry, go and do your routine, do your things, attend to your jobs. You know, these are what's even finances these children. So attend to whatever you want to attend. I'm here for you. And then, you know, she took full control. You know, the new person has really like understood the routine of the house, the routine of the children and all. But slowly, you know, bit by bit, even with the help of, you know, Perpetual and all, I was just really relaxed. Hey, you guys, I was relaxed. Like, even when I was having like sore throat and I was not feeling really fine, like, grandma will make bole, you come, you're spoiled for choice, peppered snail, this, that. And I'm also very thankful that even as though my parents are aging, but they are still strong. They're still able to drive car. They're still able to do the things that I remember them doing, even, you know, while I saw them young. And now that I'm seeing them, you know, aging and all. And that's what they say, aging with grace and all. But yeah, you guys, grandma has gone. Grandma has gone. You I feel like it's not that you guys, in fact, it's not that I have gotten back into the routine. It's not that I know that I have to take charge, you know, bumper out videos, give you guys videos back to back, because a lot of activities. That's what I think, that there was not even a lot of activities happening because it was just my same routine. I wasn't even going to the market. Grandma was going to the market with these girls and the children. I was not even going to the market. To tell you how bad that was, not really bad, but I was not going to the market. The market I went to was like a two-motor market and all. But you see all those my market near me where I'll go and buy, go and cook. I have a tama soup in my fridge. I have a goosey soup in my fridge. I have a fang soup in my fridge. I have native soup in my fridge. Tell me what I'm going to the market near me for.
We have stew.
I have stew.
We have jollof rice.
We have jollof rice.
Coconut rice.
We have coconut.
I have fried rice.
Say no more. See, even on Sundays, like we'll come back, you know, grandma will say, I bet man will stop for this market. When would they come back from church? Today I could just cook yam pepper soup. I'm like, hey, Jesus. Now it's like, get back to the routine. Even my children, you guys, grandma left very early this morning. Even she has reached already. Her flight was for 7. She has reached already. Even the children woke up this morning and say, hey, mommy, where is grandma? I'm like, hey, don't worry. So I tried to call grandma because they woke up early and she was airborne that period. But when she reached, grandma was so happy when she said, my sunshine, grandma, did you go to the market? Oh my god. But anyways, let's just be heading out. See you guys.
The next day.
Guys, we are off to church. Where you guys come? We are off to church.
Hello, guys.
Hello guys. We are off to church.
We're off to church.
And where is grandma?
Grandma went to travel.
Grandma traveled.